Meaning of in flagrante.
In flagrante.
In flagrante.
In flagrante.
In flagrante. The phrase in flagrante comes from the Latin phrase in flagrante delicto, which means caught in the act of committing a crime or misdeed. It typically refers to catching someone in the act of doing something forbidden, such as adultery or stealing. The term is often used in legal contexts, where it can refer to evidence obtained through direct observation of a crime being committed. In more general usage, the term can be applied to situations where someone is caught in the act of doing something embarrassing or inappropriate.